Hello everyone, in this part 10 of sequences and series, I'll let you know about the infinite terms of an GP. For this, how will we find out the sum? So let's start with this point. Sum of infinite terms of an GP. Let us suppose we have a GP whose first term is A and common ratio is R. Then the GP is A plus AR square plus and so on. And let us suppose this is infinite. Then the sum is given by S infinity is equals to A upon 1 minus R, and providing the condition modulus of R must be less than 1. Automatically this condition will come that if you will find out modulus of R, it will remain less than 1 only. And related to proof of this thing, it is not required. We will see the proof once we will understand the concept of limit, because that is totally depend on this fact. So we have to remember this relation that S infinity is equals to A upon 1 minus R, and this is only for sum of infinite terms of a GP. So let's start with the sum questions. The questions related to this are very interesting, and for competitive exam these questions are very important. So let's do this part. Find the sum of infinity of the GP. It means for this we have to find out the sum of the infinity terms of this GP. It means this is 80 upon 49 plus and so on. This is up to infinity. So first of all you will say here A is equals to 5 and R is equals to 20 upon 7 into 5. It means what this become 20 upon 35. Now S infinity is equals to A upon 1 minus R. Direct we have to apply the rule. This is 5 upon 1 minus 20 upon 35. It means what this become 5 into 35 upon 35 minus 20, 15 only. It means this become 35 upon 3, and this is the answer. Now look at this thing. For question number 2, we have to find out proof that this is equals to 6. Very interesting question. 6 raised to power half, 6 raised to power 1 by 4, 6 raised to power 1 upon 8, and this is up to infinity. You know very well, if base is same, then multiply parts will be added. It means 6 raised to power half plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8, and this is up to infinity. Now this will form a GP. अब देखिए GP का रूल लगाया. What is this? A upon 1 minus R. Now 1 minus R, what is R? 1 upon 4 upon 1 into 2. It means this is 1 upon 2. It means this becomes 6 raised to power half upon half, and half upon half cancel out. This raised to power 6 upon 1. It means this is 6 only. So this is really very important question. Related to this, if we have the base 3, then the resultant is 3 only. Now look at this thing. For question number 3, the sum of first two terms of an infinite GP is 5. So first of all, let A be the first term, and R be the common ratio. R be the common ratio of given GP. Common ratio of given GP. Now, for this, what they are saying, the sum of first two terms is 5. It means A plus AR is equals to 5. It implies that A common 1 plus R is equals to 5. This is the first equation. Now, what they are saying, and each term is 3 times the sum of the succeeding terms. Also, according to the question, if I say first term A, what is this? 3 times the succeeding terms. It means 3 times the succeeding term means first term A first is 3 times the succeeding. It means A2 plus A3 plus and so on. It means what this become? A is equals to 3 times of what is this? AR plus AR square plus and so on. This is up to infinity. Now look at this thing I am doing here. A is equals to 3 times of what is the common? R is common and A is also common. AR is common. What is left? 1 plus R plus and so on R square plus and so on up to infinity. Now AA cancel out. It means 1 is equals to 3R. This is the sum of infinite term of GP. It means A 1 upon 1 minus R. Now cross multiplication, 1 minus R is equals to 3R. It means 1 is equals to 4r. Therefore, r is equals to 1 upon 4. Now, from equation 1, what we are observing? From equation 1, we have a into 1 plus r is equals to 5. It means a is equals to 5 upon 1 plus r, 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon 4. It means a is equals to 4 only, because we will take the LCM, 5 cancel out. And what we have to find out? GP. GP is equals to, therefore required GP is, what is this? 4. And the next term is a into r. It means what this become? 1 only. Next term is 1a, this into r. It means what this become? 1 upon 4. And this is the required GP. So in this way we can give the GP. So really very important questions. Only we have to draw the conclusion from the question that what is the requirement and which thing we have to prove using the given conditions. Now look at this thing. This question number 4 is also very important. They are saying x is the sum of this, y is the sum of this, and we have to prove this sum of this infinite GP is this. Now one by one, in question number 4, x is equals to 1 plus a square plus and so on. Therefore x is equals to 1 upon 1 minus a, because a is 1 and r is a. So this is the, from here find out the value of a. And here we are applying the rule, because as we know that S infinity is equals to a upon 1 minus r. Now by cross multiplication, 1x minus ax is equals to, what is this? 1. It means ax is equals to x plus x minus 1. It means a is equals to x minus 1 upon x. This is the first equation. Now look at this thing. We did cross multiplication. X minus ax is equals to 1. Ax is equals to this. Now y is equals to what is given? 1 plus b square plus and so on. Here you can write down similarly, because directly we are observing. Similarly, b is equals to y minus 1 upon y. Now we will take the left hand side of the proof. 1 plus ab plus a square b square and so on up to infinity. Therefore, according to the rule, S infinity means 1 a upon 1 minus r. It means what this become? A upon 1 minus ab. Now from equation 1 and 2, substitute the value 1 minus x minus 1 upon x into y minus 1 upon y from equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2. Now once we will put the value from equation 1 and equation 2. Now after cross multiply, this one taking the LCM, this is xy will shift in numerator. It means this is xy minus, here we will do the multiplication, xy minus x minus y plus 1. Now what this become? This become xy upon xy minus xy plus x plus y minus 1. Therefore what we are observing? This is xy upon x plus y minus 1. Therefore which is equals to right hand side, and ultimately we can say, therefore 1 plus ab plus a square b square plus and so on up to infinity is equals to xy upon x plus y minus 1. X plus y minus 1. And this is the answer. On the basis of this thing, do the practice of other questions. Don't forget to give the answer of this question in comment box. Thanks and God bless you.